Welcome back to another MFF episode, guys. We're back here with a 2024 MN Trout Opener vid. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our camp setup and get right into the fishing, and then we're going to do the catch and cook later on in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Got a good video for you guys this week.
You see one chasing it?
Yeah. We got Mike here for Trout Opener, rare appearance.
Yeah, Friday. Really excited.
Oh, we're gonna hammer tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
That's it. Oh, like money. Got good steaks on pre-season. Von Hansen sponsor us. Like some steak. Oh, I like mine like rare, medium rare. Fish at MN Trout Opener 2024. Nice stalker rainbow. We're gonna bonk her on the head and throw her in the creel. We're gonna eat trout dinner tonight. Ate a blue and olive emerger on the swim. We got some hatches here, but they're not quite taking dries, so I decided to switch up. Nice 12-inch brown, another perfect eater size. This guy was on the scud a little bit farther up. Wasn't recording, but there we go, another beauty. That thing's gonna get bonked in the head and thrown in the creel.
Oh, the camera was off. I'm kidding.
Got me. Busted. Ooh, check your elbow.
You doing the skate boss?
I don't really know. I think it's kind of flying.
You want my net?
I'll be good.
I can come.
Yeah, Rod, you come slow. That man.
I think I'm good.
Hey, let's go. For the camera, look at that. Nice chunky bow on the elk ear caddis. We're getting a little caddis hatch here. Look at that. That's a chunky mother trucker. Ooh.
Amen.
Trout opener. That it, Big Rob. Look at that. Switching some nymphing right now because the dry leech is slower. Let me see that bad pajama. Don't step on the rod, Bob. I'm not. Come on. There we go. Get this little release on them. There we go. Finally something nice. Good eats, good eats. Yeah. Catch and cook time. This nice brownie here, MN Trout Opener. We got all the fish we wanted to keep. We're doing some catcher and release fishing, and I got down this run. We're just hammering the little rainbows here, and I hooked into this brown. I just put on a heavier nymph rig. I was dry fly fishing earlier, and we just changed up to nymphs because of this midday sun. And he hit a big old tungsten nymph here. I'll show you guys. Look at this thing. Big old, that's like a size 14. So I'd almost throw for steelhead. Tungsten fly to get deep and first drift. Nice brownie, nothing crazy, but just gorgeous colors. About a 16-incher, nice kype jaw, 16, 17. You can see it's just got some nice markings on them. Just copper fish. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For release here. There he goes, right off. Boom! Let's go. I didn't get the fight on camera. I thought I was recording, but hey, what can you do? At least I got him in, so. Hey, dude.
Chocolate running down.
So, what I like to do is I like to do a tinfoil boat. I like to roll it up like so, make a nice boat, and then put the fillets in there. We did half whole and then half fillets. Wanted to do kind of both styles. And then what I like to do is a pretty simple recipe. Just cut some onions up and put them in there. Put some garlic pepper or lemon pepper on that. And then from there I just do lemon wedges. Squeeze the lemon juice out onto the tinfoil boat there. And then place the wedge with it so it also gets that flavor. And then lastly I just put some butter in there. Not a ton, but a little bit. You know, a chunk here and there. And then I like to place that on the grill and then put a tin foil on top of it to help it, convect better. And yeah, we just go until it starts to flake, take it off and enjoy. We had a good fish dinner and it was tasted amazing.
They're kind of in between. They're closer to Minnesota. Basically. Put a little bit of water in the pan. Lobster? Yep, pretty much put a little bit of water in the pan.
Oh, did you even get a whole trout?
Yeah. GPs, how's the taste
kind of like
test?
poaching.
What?
No more dial because I mean we always killed birds there, but there were days where me and Chug would go and we'd shoot we'd be out all day. Really cool areas. There's this sheep walk.
Best patterns we had throughout the weekend. We had risers. We were using elk hair caddis, so it wasn't crazy, quite like it'll get in a few more weeks with the caddis hatches, but there definitely was fish keened on them and some crane flies, which the caddis will also do a good job of representing. We did, some trailing on dry droppers with the smaller jigged pheasant tail pattern, big tungsten in the middle of the day to dredge those deeper runs, and then lastly, a smaller orange pheasant tail kind of soft tackle drifted on the end of the runs, and those were our 4 best producers throughout the weekend.
That's one. Yep, well, that's a nice fish. Let it run. Yep. Good job, Mike. Keep it on. Mike's hooked up here. First fish of the Sunday morning. Go. I can net it. Don't worry. Nice one here. Alright. I goes hooked up. Just trying to get a nice one here. There we go. Beauty.
Nice. Let's go.
I'm doing some catch and release fishing on Sunday.
There it goes.
Nice run.
In the video, I hope you guys enjoyed. Planning to do some steelhead content next week, so hopefully that will work out and we get on some fish. Otherwise, I'll have another driftless video for you guys, kind of transitioning into more steelhead and hopefully some warm water in the next couple weeks. So remember to subscribe for those weekly videos and drop a comment if you have any questions, concerns, or video suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tight lines this spring. Hope you guys get out and do some amazing trout fishing.